Taking the motor apart. This is I believe this part would be the rotor with all the shaft and everything. Would be called the rotor. This is probably the stator. It seems to be good shape. I just got this open. I'm kind of looking for any signs of. I've seen other motors on vacuums where these plates like fly off into bits. I don't see any real bad connections to the wire. I think I have already kind of figured out the issue, but I'm just inspecting this to kind of check things over while I'm in here. I think that's about a turn. That's the windings. This is a permanent magnet type DC motor. Those four gray things on the sides are the magnets. And then that's the rotor and the rotor windings there. It's gray, but I think that's just dirt and stuff. I don't think it's like anything bad. I think the issue is in here. And this is kind of what I was suspecting the culprit would be. These are the input wires. These are the brush shrouds. Now I need to figure out why the connectivity issue is occurring. So I'm going to get out my ohm meter again. I kind of lost my reference from when it was on the motor and what the issue was. Okay, so I'm going to check the shroud of this brush to the spring, see if that's connecting. It is. I'm going to check the shroud to the other brush connection. That one's good. To the other shroud, that one's good. I'm going to check to both lead wires. That one's good, so that's the good side. So I'm going to kind of mark this on the edge of the case, just so I know that these ones are good. Next, I'm going to check these other two. These ones look a little black, like I'm not sure if it's corrosion or what. I have no connection here or here. Actually, I gotta move something here. I'm checking that shroud to this spring. I have no connection between that shroud and this spring for some reason. Or this spring and this shroud. I'm gonna next check the same thing over here. I have connection to the shroud, so my meter's fine. As soon as I touch the spring, I have nothing. So I think there's something. These seem to be discolored, so I'm thinking maybe there was some arcing here or some resistance, and that caused the things to heat up. I'm not quite sure, but the shroud looks discolored. This looks like plastic here. I don't know why this is discolored, or maybe that's metallic, maybe it's a ground or something. But I'm thinking there's something here happened that's, yeah, this doesn't look actually promising, because I thought this was, at first, I thought this was thermal grease, but it actually looks like there was some heat here. And this stuff looks like melted plastic. And there's a bubble here. When I poke it, it's breaking off. So it looks to me like that's plastic of some sort. And over here, it seems to be the same type thing. That seems, I thought it was like, well, dielectric grease, but it's like hard plastic. So I'm thinking there was some kind of an issue with these two brushes or something that was, or maybe the issue with these springs was heating up and that's what caused it. I also noticed here it looks like there's like a channel where the spring sits. Here it looks like looks like the spring's pushed right into the plastic. That might be what caused maybe the spring just heated up enough to do that and it's separated over and these, so it didn't have that issue. I'm not sure what would have caused that. It's possible somebody tried to repair it and messed something up here. I'm not sure what else could be caused of that. Or maybe it was a defect in manufacture, or maybe that's just how it was designed and that caused it to fail. I'm going to have to see what I can do to figure out how to fix this, if I can. I don't really think I'll be able to solder and wire directly to this, so I might have to figure out a set screw or something. I'm not quite sure yet. I think I'll make another video once I figure out how to get these things off and see what I can do to maybe fix it.